Hello folks, many of you asked already how to unlock characters because the previous video which I posted no longer works for a lot of people because you have to do actually an extra step to unlock and that's the same technique you're using to unlock coins and trophies and XP and so on. So I'll quickly show you using Firefox how to unlock the Arcana, which is still coming soon, and then you can use the same technique to unlock every single character you have. So let's get started. Alright, once you open Firefox and you open Facebook and run the game, you right click and go inspect element or press Q on keyboard, go debugger, then select browser mobile JavaScript, wait until the JavaScript loads up, click prettify source right over here. Just make sure that if you're using Chrome it will be different, like user interface will be different and some output values will be arranged a bit different. So if you still can do it in Chrome using this technique, which is exactly same on Chrome, but you still have to find the values a bit different way, so just do it in Chrome. If not, use Firefox. So once it prettifies, you have to click Ctrl F and it will quickly highlight the search bar, and make sure the tag is added, otherwise you will not find the function you're looking for, and just type query.prototype.run. Oh gosh, slow and misspell. Okay, so when it's highlights, that's going to be just one line for it. Even if you press enter, it will not detect anything else. You select var t equal this, and then you go and equip any champion you have. So the game stops, and then you open E object. You just expand. Now, for Arcana, there is, I think, a string already someone posted here, which is this one, and that's for Jade. That's a J string. So all you have to do is just type FE8E right in the search bar, but make sure you add a star before you do it, and type FE8E, and you will quickly find Arcana item object, and it says state locked. So all you have to do is actually rename state to idle, but before you rename it, click once resum, and that's important. If you will not click resum at the right stages, it will not work, and then you come to Discord saying why it doesn't work, because you have to do exactly as I'm showing you. Now you can rename to idle, press enter, you highlight on a search bar every single time you rename it, because you will not find again. So you just highlight, it will apply the search to the string, so it says idle, you press resum, you come back to the search, it's still idle, you press resum. When it starts loading, the value will change back to its normal, so you have to rechange it again. You press on search, it will search for the object, you type idle, press enter, press one more time resum, applies the changes, remove the break, press resum again, and then you can go and equip your item or your champion character, and that's it. Now I can play it, it will still work, everything works, but because this champion what is it, Arcana, it's not released yet, it doesn't have sounds, it doesn't have the skill bar working, so it doesn't really work, but you still can play. You can level up its maximum, because I already leveled up and I locked it just to show you how to unlock these things. And you can do the same with Jade, and because Jade is already released, you can just unlock it a simple way. And when you unlock, you don't need to pay anything, and to do rest of the characters, make sure you have a correct name, correct string for characters. This guy posted just to make our life easier. For example, Lenore is different string, Jade is OB3A. So if you type OB3A, you will find the Jade string, and so on and so forth. With this technique, you can edit coins, trophies, the way I showed in the last or previous video. You can edit your sidekicks, and I just noticed actually that I think another cheat worked, which replaces every single dragon with the one you want. So I will just double check, and if it works I will post this one as well. So there you go. Take care.